Dividing a given ratio. Ratios can be used to divide a given quantity into unequal amounts according the numbers of the ratio. We discussed an example of this at the beginning of this ratio tutorial, when an amount of money has to be shared among 3 sisters according to a given ratio. Now, let's see another example, this time with geometry. Example. The ratio between the interior angles of a triangle is 2 to 3 to 4. Calculate the mass of the greater angle. Solution. From geometry, it is known that the mass of the interior angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. We can denote the angles by A, B and C. Therefore, using the known procedure discussed earlier, we have the following shown on screen. Hence, the mass of each angle is shown in the following on screen. That is all for lesson 4.1.6, and the end of tutorial 4.1. To continue this chapter, please watch 4.2 Rates. Applications of ratios and rates in practice. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.